Enforcement Directorate has attached assets worth 65 crore rupees in connection with the alleged 25,000 crore Maharashtra State Cooperative Bank scam. Now, the reason this is a big political development is because the ED claims that the NCP leader and Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar has been named. This is what sources in the central agency told NDTV on Friday. Ajit Pawar, however, has responded saying he will appeal against the Enforcement Directorate move and added that he was being targeted as he belonged to an opposition party.
कुठल्याही पक्षाला कुणालाही कसल्याही लोकशाहीमध्ये ठराव करण्याचा अधिकार आहे, त्याबद्दल दुमत असायचं कारण नाही. जरूर चौकशी केली पाहिजे. उद्याच्याला कुणालाच्या मनात शंका कुशंका राहू नये, परंतु चौकशी पारदर्शक झाली पाहिजे. माझ्याकडे मागच्या वेळेस पण झालेले जे आरोप होते ते पॉलिटिकल अँगलनी आरोप केले गेले होते. एजन्सीला इन्क्वायरी करण्याचा पूर्ण अधिकार आहे.
Maharashtra's Deputy Chief Minister hitting out at the latest action by the Enforcement Directorate against leaders of his party. His ally, the Shiv Sena, says these actions are to unsettle the alliance government.
ये जो मामला चल रहा है ईडी सीबीआई, उसके पीछे क्या है मंशा, ये सबको मालूम है. ये सब करने से महाराष्ट्र की सरकार टूट जाएगी, गिर जाएगी, उसका मनोबल गिरेगा, ऐसा किसी को लगता है तो वो भ्रम में है. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होगा. अब चाहे आर्मी लगाइए, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है.
The ED's actions come at a time when Maharashtra is once again in the grip of rumours of a fresh threat to the coalition government. But the ED, with seized assets worth over rupees 65 crore, including properties of a sugar mill in western Maharashtra related to Ajit Pawar, say they have a strong case. The ED says Ajit Pawar was one of the prominent members of the board of directors of the Maharashtra State Cooperative Bank, or MSCB. A case was registered in 2019. The bank sold assets of the sugar mill at an undervalued rate, according to the agency. A charge Ajit Pawar has denied. In fact, the ED's fresh action seems to be also directed at senior Pawar.
In 2019, the NCP chief Sharad Pawar, his nephew Ajit Pawar and others were mentioned in an ECIR registered by the Enforcement Directorate in connection with the Maharashtra State Cooperative Bank scam. Sharad Pawar had offered to come here to the ED office, appear before the agency and record his statement in the case as soon as it was registered in 2019. The ED at that time said that was not required. Later, the Mumbai police, which was also investigating the case, filed a closure report in the Maharashtra State Cooperative Bank's case. The Enforcement Directorate, summoning former Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh and attaching properties related to Sharad Pawar's nephew and Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar, is being viewed through the prism of politics because of its timing. Both the Shiv Sena and the NCP say the agency is acting at the behest of the BJP and carrying out political vendetta. With Arvind Gunasekar in New Delhi, in Mumbai, Saurabh Gupta, NDTV.